Hi, and welcome to this PyxisGC tutorial video. In this video, I'll show you how to navigate through your chromatograms and enter all the historical data of the Pyxis. So you can click on trends, and here basically you see all the trend of the BTEX over a period of time. You can select different filters, for example, date, the method used, the location, or a comment that you add when you started the analysis. So for example, I will check the chromatograms that are done in this week. In this case, there's also only one method, Pyxis method, but in case you have more than one, you can also choose here and add it as a filter. By pressing search, then a window will open up with all the different trends on the chromatogram in a period from the 26th of September to today. On the left side, you have the different concentrations of the four compounds. By pressing here, you can remove or add several compounds. For example, now I just want to check the benzene. You can zoom in and then maybe check one single chromatogram that you are interested in. For example, here, by going through each single point, you can see the concentration of benzene, date and time of that chromatogram. If I press, automatically will open up a chromatogram which gave that result that is present in the trends. So here basically you can see that was a calibration chromatogram that we have used. As always, you can press on the right side and you can download the image or view it in full screen. By just pressing reset zoom, you go back on the main page. Another way to check your single chromatogram is through the data browser window. The filters work in the same way as the trends, and you can also try to choose and filter by type, so if it is a measure or a calibration. For example, now I want to check the same amount of time, so all this week, and I want to get all the different chromatograms. So I press search, and here you can scroll down all the different chromatograms with the date, time, the method used, and the type. So the M stands for measure, basically all the monitoring that you have done. The C stands for calibration, so a chromatogram that has been used then to calibrate the instrument, or a chromatogram that comes from an auto check with the toluene span gas bottle that is included in the Pyxis. So for example, by pressing this icon, the chromatogram will appear. In this case, I choose a chromatogram with the C, and you can see here that this was the chromatogram with the toluene span gas bottle. Again, you can add the temperature of the pre-concentrator or the column, and you can export the data as Excel or JPEG or PDF.
Pollution analytical equipment, the answer to your on-site detection challenges.